guys? What song? Office tang na tho thul vek in kan lo ngai tha e. Na tho thul. They say
Trapti lalo Nua min lasa Hoi dot na hi Mizo naman Zay wat login Duin anle Kible ka Kipi Nua minale Minaki King kandang na Antrape done Nang malongi Na traplowe Nang malongi Nang ay lowe Na trazoni A trapvemi Nang ay na trompit Hoy chanang Zisuka Namitli ruanga Apuanki atsi Hoy chanang Zisuka Namitli ruanga
Thank you. Ooh, thank you. Thank you. Next question. Sailova, Singapore local take a tea. Kongai hin her nak kongai in her nakangai takzed ani please in ta salai medisi.
Yes, how come?
Vandal duata kongai mo le Sailova.
Now I'm in Indianapolis. Indianapolis. Yeah, Indianapolis.
Sailova, whenever you come to Delhi, I am always at work wanting to hear your message, but finally you got to see you live on Facebook. I'm so happy to see you. God bless you. I think that's the girl who wants to marry you. Wait, Leva. Yeah, I think that's the one that keeps saying, I want to marry you.
Okay, Leva.
So good.
Leva, how old is she?
How old are you, Leva? The most famous singer in Mizo Nation. Okay.
No, I can't.
This one is a good comment. The most famous singer in the Mizo Nation becomes so humble for Jesus Christ. I think this is so deep.
Thank you so much.
Can you say something in Halka? No, say something like a message.
Mivial te katsuma nam chatuk kailom tuk.
Amen. Kalatha kan sapyak. Kalatha please. One kalatha.
Kalatha? Janna ganna mana adina iyaka jaya he Bharat bhagya vedata Tava subhana me gahe Tava subha se samage Gahe tava jaya gata Janna ganna Manna adinayaka Jaya he Bharat bhagya vedata Jaya he Jaya he Jaya he Jaya Jaya Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank
Okay, ready? Dallas aratika koika krifa bu da zan amhante lai. What church will you be?
What?
At in Dallas.
Kateri lo, tunchu kateri lo.
Okay, Sailova. Không ai in ha cất tuần thầy nan min lo trong trái bùi thiên ro o kalom
Ole, kalau trong try puyang che.
Smart. Another one says smart body. Mur thang bela nen I ang tep. Why talk so fine? Mur thang bela. You went from Arnold Schwarzenegger to Tang
Arnold
to Mur thang. Wow, in one night. Wow. Wow.
This
Crazy.
is my bed night.
You do. I don't think you washed the dishes clean, huh? All right. Ha. Kaban du tak Sailova. Helam run bye.
Bye.
Hey, what are you doing funny? Hey. Three leg ngay. Milo bye, please. Indian national anthem salai. Ava indu lo ve fuck luto. I can't see him. India national anthem sala.
You read the question, so you didn't capture my face.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I'm trying to find a good question for you to do. He's watching himself right now. Mizo
This is my friend, my biggest.
It's your friend.
Yeah. It's so
Okay. Daniel Kim said, "Hey Chintu, can you ask him if he's single, and if he is, he can have my sister Jenny Mwalsun." My family is desperate.
Thank you so much.
If you're single, you take Jenny, huh?
Jenny. Yeah.
That's my cousin. We'll be cousins.
Yeah.
Yeah. High five.
Sure.
Promise?
Yeah.
You saw it live. Haha. Tan lutuk. Can he sing Zunung Beat? Can you give them a chorus, please?
Sorry, I need to.
Zunung Beat.
Ni fatin na kaumpi, ni fatin na kahupen, ni fatin ka tumiki pa, tinak na kape. Ngay chia chana ka nem tu, dirlyo chana ka thaza, chaitik chan pawa kanuna, lam tuan ter. Boy panang heo trian wa say ting man kan kalta lai lo lay me ni kasnoy len na se fe chin chin kan klai lai chung nung bi boy pa.
Nice, thank you. The cell phone tika lo saros. Oh, you already sang it, right? You already sang it.
Okay, in
Dot ok na tlak lo sai lo.
Haka holding the cell phone thom kan sang ya. Ka cell phone thom a hori ka the mi a tham chu ngay chiat nan tra o asi bom tu ka hertin amitli atla bia man chim khawlogin ka lei chua chan ka do big chenak bia sai kan re jisu ka cham iko cham tha
Chăm tu kem. Apa biar chatu. Nula kar a chuan jam deuh ani kha
Zam lo. Tu he tu, nabi ka sounds wala po kami.
No, W. James Rang.
W James Rang mo. Nia James, nulai minen na sabi, dewa mo kem so na zam he dew.
Ava sekve akor kha phel tir ro Sailova kha.
I'm sorry. It's like Arnold.
It's not your fault, right?
Yeah, it's not my fault.
It's so big,
It's
right?
because of my muscle control.
It's
my
not
body.
because your shirt is too small, right? Because your
Yeah.
muscle's so big. When is he going to visit Maryland? You visit Maryland in February, right? Maryland?
Yes.
February.
Yes, February.
Oh man, can you please sing Tsunumi? Okay, he already sang.
Okay,
Can
now.
you please tell him that? Okay, Victor Van Tongkam said, can you please tell him that I am the biggest fan for him and I learned so much from him how to sing.
Thank you so much.
Aw, that's nice.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Lu
Eddie, a question they can't call to other than that.
ang losingin natle she tuarwa ila kaya taneroso patian naihi Mangay na day ngay lo ako ay natsuay-tsuang lo kama mo tinareng minpe vangi kaya taneros patiyan naihi
Thank you. You look kuka. In here, look.
Did you see this?
No,
It's Esther. Ask him how old he is, and he's a great singer. By the way, this is Esther Barr, Joshua's older sister. It's our little niece.
Our niece just commented. She's watching you too.
Can you,
Haha,
can you
Tim.
shout out? Can you do a shout
Say
out?
hi, Esther.
Esther.
Hi Esther.
From Rockville. Hi, Esther from
Rockville?
Yeah.
Hi Esther. I miss you so much.
Haha, Tim look to call hot in can late piak se. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I think the Gala song. I'm sorry, I'm late reading your comments. Buffalo Ratan say please. Dot nak ti mi hati ka kan sak piak kong hamo.
Van mi hol zong kathiam ko ma hung chim kathiam ko ma ngal na kun tling kan ngei ko ma bia thu kathei ko ma lang chiam ko zum na kan ngei ma dot na kan ngei lo chung dar kwang le sum se Oto menansi Dot natsu Tachia derwa Mizo zang faangi Natsu Lungkwang na say mana Ngilo Dot natsu At hintoy lo Amazo Long arwat lo Dot natsu Pal nang kaatin Kenpeng lo Midang tunga Suana dirya Inna Umbal lo jaa Dot nang liin ko Long mi Ang ilo Thank you.
So good. Hey, Silo, Singapore local lady.
Yes, karong kala.
Hindi ha sak mikha abia kan le piak ta se.
Hindi lajo national anthem Jana Gana Mana ani.
Okay, Murtang Villa ang tep mo. Oh my gosh, why Murtang Villa?
Murtang is a great comedian, you know.
Okay, but what did they say you look like him? Oh, because you're It's not your look. It's
It's
your
not,
funny.
It's not my facial.
Are you sure it's not your face?
expression.
You sure?
What?
Are you sure it's not your face that you guys look alike?
No.
Okay.
He's very, very handsome than me.
This is more handsome than Gurthang Vela, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Gurthang is very handsome than me.
Haha,
So,
I'm dying already.
Just a kid.
I'm just a kid.
Yeah.
Okay. Kala tiri timika akan sakpya ko. Kala tiri.
Galitere.
Ah.
Galitere.
The one you already sang?
Kotiram racho. Don't laughing at me. Galitere ko palalatera laga.
Wow! That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't knock me akan sakpyak se aman sa.
Don't knock to. We just finished, right?
Buffalo lay hello.
Buffalo vessel dear.
What? Okay. Bakat
Out
nang
of
zisu.
America.
Did you sing Bakat nang zisu yet? Bakat nang zisu?
I just opened my heart for my fans tonight. I just opened my heart.
Oh, for
my
Chin-Tube,
fans.
right?
Yup.
For Chin-Tube, say
Yeah,
Chin-Tube.
for Chin-Tube. Yeah. Soundtrack.
That's it?
I need
Oh.
to transpose. Kanunaki bakana zisu Tilsiang kim kluni bakana zisu Nunagsalam tuana hi Mambang nagkatong sana Ipomitoy idom trail to zisu Zisu took a film now Zisu took a tana Gati ona Siang kim tim tana Atar pesatu Zisu took a nuna Ipakatna Sorry, I forget the lyrics.
Kem toket. Kan nang zisu. Sailova kan vangai sang che em zam re su. Zang rem. No re to not tizo.
Zam re su.
Nang TV tu yang solo.
Eng TV to yang lolo de. Ngur thang về yang lolo de na.
Why always more tarmela? When saktar tua sa po sa tung peltin. Hey, sa po sa sakjang. Right? Okay. Tell him to sing so big. You already sang Bakat nang zisu. You already sang Bakat nang zisu, right?
Yeah.
Sa something, okay. The cell phone ti kamin low. Okay. Sakjang. He already sang. Can you please tell him that I am the biggest fan for him and I learned so much how to sing from him. I comment 45 times already. The same one you said thank you to already. Sailo and Kim A Patien in Malsom. Malsom.
Kalome na pole.
Rose. Oh, Rose. Rose take a rose in Korea. Can you please sing a cell phone for my mom? You already sang, right? A cell phone.
Kamel. No.
Oh.
He cover. Sorry.
Nang TV2 yang holo. Ask him how old he is. Oh, he is a great singer, by the way. This is Esther Parr, Joshua. This is my niece, my 6-year-old niece.
Yeah.
She wants to know how old you are.
I am. This is 27.
27, really?
For how many?
Can you look in the camera and say that? Say, I'm 27.
I'm 27.
You You guys will be the
18
judge.
till I die. 18 till I die.
18 till you die.
Yeah.
Forever 18, right?
Yeah. That's why.
Okay. Kakoy nakapil chang mo ti chanpang sampe. Did you forget me? My friend, like Katian, do you forget me?
I didn't forget you. I didn't forget you. I remember you, my friend. I remember you.
One sector to wait, they have one sector to Tiam be kop me a tiam tuk kalung boy tuk leo kanam kalong tuk. He's like I was feeling stressful and then you made me feel peaceful.
That's good. That's good.
Sounds
good.
Sounds good. Hello, I wish he was Nuak though, right?
I think so. I hope so. Yeah.
Hello, Buffalo. Rakan tipyakta. Say hello, Buffalo.
Buffalo, so dear. Hi, Buffalo.
Pakat nak zisu, please. Sis Rosie, Junie Barney. The saktang right. Pakat nak zisu. I think I'm reading them really late. Ushailo, Karos. Till the Taina min lo zai lok.
Cross to the Taina.
Yeah, cross.
Why?
Why?
When did you read that?
No, because she spelled it. Ushailo, look how she spelled it. Kraws.
Cross.
That's how you spell it?
Yeah, in Mizo that cross. You know,
We just spell it like
Kraws.
we just spell it like English, like
No, we have to.
Cross. That's why I spell. That's why I read it like cross.
CROSS and
Cross.
KRAWS.
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
my
the
Mizo.
same.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry, guys. I haven't speak Mizo in like 15 years. Galati lesha. Kan sakliak se liak. Oh, piak. Okay, spelling. Bati sakmi. Thanks so much. Ki bang bian ha tu chim ha. Ki bang bian tu say. Mizo ha sabi lok te.
Mizo ha mo.
Now I'm watching you. Mapui duat. Koi lam la nunge mo ini le timi. Okay. Tha tam deu in rakan sak piak se a onge chim asilo lang fa nak te in. Chiame pakat nang jisu. David Lai Lily Eddie ni ahani kata. Oh, okay. Okay, one question, okay, before you sing. Okay, someone asked this to David Lai. You know David Lai? A very serious question, okay? So if the baby's head is out at 11:59.
Is that we don't know?
11:59, right?
Now take a more.
No.
What is it?
Now hey now Piang Turka.
Oh.
Now Piang Turka 11:59. Kan zan.
Dar som pakadlem ni som nga pakwa.
Alu ka swak salati.
But okay, ka. 12:01. Which day was the baby born?
Nah.
Serious question. No, was it born when the head was out at 11:59 or 12:01 when the leg is out? Which day is the baby born? This is a very hard, like you have to think hard for this. Like think very hard.
Yeah, Mizo ngai dana so in now piang tiom zia chu nu pum chunga changa tla tha soina nia. Atlak thak lai dar kar chia kha. Atlak thak lai nazi chia kha. Apian dar adora ni.
Okay. That's your answer. Need to let him sing English song. You know any English song, Sailova?
English song.
English song? Diva. Such a diva.
Bravo powers.
Wow, good performance.
So very high.
As your okay, yeah. After this, another question.
kings, above all natures and all created things, above all wisdom and all the ways of man. You were here before the world began. Above all kingdoms, above all thrones, above all wonders the world has ever known, above all wealth and treasures of the earth. There's no way to measure what you were. Crucified, laid behind the storm, you live to die, rejected and alone, like a rose trampled on the ground. You took the fall, thought of me above all. Hey, we're going.
I'm going to school.
Going to school?
Yeah.
Why? It's too late.
I know. I have a meeting tomorrow
She
morning.
has class tomorrow.
So you're not going back here?
Sorry,
not coming
guys.
back here?
I mean,
To be continued.
not this weekend, but the next weekend.
Okay, hold on.
Sorry, guys.
Okay. But she'll come back and forth and you'll be here, okay? You'll see each other.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. Bye. Safe drive. Text me when you get there, okay?
Bye-bye.
Look
I'm
at
gonna
that.
miss you so much. Oh, without you, I'm like empty.
Empty?
Empty.
Oh, empty.
Yeah,
You're a good actor, Sailova. You are a good actor,
yeah,
man.
good actor.
No wonder they call you Muntangvira. Okay. Can you please tell us the meaning of cell phone for the people who don't understand Mizo? What is the meaning of the cell phone? What is the meaning of cell phone?
Cell phone. The cell phone. No, the cell phone. What it means?
Your hat.
It's a true story.
Your hat.
Yeah.
The tag is showing. You see?
Yeah, I want to see my hat.
Your hat. Fix the tag.
What?
But that no. It's a little late. The tag is showing.
No, you know.
It's okay. You like it like this?
Yeah,
Put it inside.
I know, but I can't see.
Yeah, it's a
in the
little
live
late.
TV. Yeah, it's a little late.
It's a little late. Okay, focus. What is the meaning of a cell phone?
Just wait.
No, focus. You're on live right now.
Okay.
Just wait.
Just put it.
Okay.
I want to see myself. Yeah, I want
What's
to
the
see
cell
myself.
phone? The meaning of the
That's
cell
good. That's
phone.
good. Yeah.
Okay, focus right here, please.
Okay.
Alright, it's okay, it's just a charger. See? Because you're not focused. 300 people were watching, now it goes to 200.
300 people.
200 because you're not focused. So focus, okay?
Let me have a look.
No, it's
How many people?
You stress me. 295, okay?
Right now?
Uh-huh. Okay, ready? Oh, can you explain the cell phone? The meaning of the cell phone.
It's really hard to explain because it's a true story.
Uh-huh. It's a true story based on a true
it's
story.
true story. Yeah, it's a true story. You know, I almost hurt my eyes.
Right now or during the story?
No, right now.
Right now.
My eyes.
I'm so sad.
My eye is so tired. I can't open my eyes normally because
he has 3 lighting.
yeah, there's lots of light.
Okay.
And I'm almost tired because yeah.
Alright, okay, it's okay. We'll get through it. For your fans.
Life is long enough.
Okay, you didn't explain the cell phone. But we'll do another video on that, okay? Tabo, can you ask him what is his favorite? What's your favorite Bible verse?
What?
Okay,
My favorite one?
I'm reading the comments late. I'm not reading it live because I'm trying to get through every comment. Can you ask him what is your favorite Bible verse? Okay.
What is Bible
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 verse.
verse. Okay, your accent is very different. That's why I confuse it.
It's too good, right?
Yeah, it's your
Okay.
Bible verse. My favorite Bible verse is,
Yeah, it sounds like your favorite because you remember so well.
Psalm 51. Yeah, Psalm 51 and Psalm 37.
Okay, what is
and
it?
Psalm 73. Yeah.
Why are they your favorite?
Yeah. There are lots of things to say. There's lots of things to say.
So you guys go open that and then see what the verse is about, right? Halkha te saktar halkha. Do you know any other halkha song? Can you ask him to sing Dotna? Okay, he already sang Dotna. Mizo. Okay, we'll end it. Okay, it's been a while now. I've never done live. It's too long right now. Mizo ka dula tuk mi te a e tha anka niem chu tek ro se ti mi kha min lo sak piak ro se mu.
This is love song.
It's a love song.
That's love song.
Boy, tell him ngur thang vela chu hete.
Is it raining?
Yeah, it's Indiana. It's always raining so randomly.
Oh.
Ngur thang vela chu hete nupui kan lo zon sak ania. Yeah, okay. Halkha patchen tha kan sak piak se please. Halkha patchen tha. You know any other Christian halkha song?
Sure.
Within Iswa Katinlung.
I know lots of halkha
Can you
songs.
sing one? Zamfanak din sim na talo pian thar atok lo pi. Oh. Okay. Taco, great voice, great piano as well.
Okay, everyone. Now we're gonna say good night.
Okay, I won't read the request. I'll read the comments now, okay? And then we'll just end it. Alukum apoi te ang em kong e tak in.
Hello.
Taylor.
My hairstyle is not good enough tonight because that's why I just need to cover my head. Excuse me.
Iswane kadu zok di mi haka, please, Rosie. He's tired, right? Iswane kadu zok. They said please. Okay. I think you'll do it.
Just one song.
Last request. Yeah, that will be the last one, okay? And then just comments.
Nitin iswa katin lungin kamangay deu deva ama chuni en ai po in amoy so ema ama chuka tan amoy na ro kui ber alone Nitin namayin along mo'y dew selani Chen po kan shet Helui kama chang hia Thank you, everyone.
Why English? We are all chin here. Oh, we're speaking in like that is the common language here today, right? We are all chin. That's no MMA. Who is this? Why are you guys all watching? Please cross. My favorite song is.
Thank you for
Alright.
watching Chintu. Everyone, God bless you all. Have a nice
I love
night.
you, Rosie. Good job.
Thank you so much
Okay.
for watching us.
All right. How do I? Hold on. How do I stop it? This is my first live.
Really?
Yeah.
You don't know how to stop it?
Oh, hold on. I don't do live. Oh, finish.